Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk you through keto baking essentials. So all the ingredients that you need to create all kinds of yummy keto treats, all kinds of things to keep in your pantry, in your fridge. So yeah, I've shared loads of keto treats over the course of my channel. I'll leave a link down below actually to a blog post where I talk through all of these ingredients as well as give you some recipes of what you can do with all of them. So remember to check down below for that, and I thought I'd go through all the ingredients, chat you through it in this video as well. So we'll start over here, and believe it or not, salt is actually an essential because not only is it important on the keto diet, but salt brings out the sweetness. So just a pinch of salt brings out the sweetness of an recipe, and so I've always made sure I've got salt to hand, and I have a few different chocolate options. We've got cocoa powder and cacao powder. Sometimes I'll use one, sometimes I'll use the other, and when I want actual melted chocolate, I've got this 85% Tesco, but you could also go for 85% or 90% Lindt, which I've used as well loads in the past, but being in Ireland I get this 85% and it's really nice. And I've got ground almonds. You can get ground almonds, almond flour, either one. This one's a little thicker than almond flour. You can just grind it up in something like a NutriBullet just to get it a super fine flour. That's just the one that I've got in my kitchen at the moment, and I use that for waffles and all kinds of other yummy treats. And vanilla always is lovely added to something like brownies or a cake. I've also used it in my lovely baked egg custard and my Irish cream essence. I discovered this, that it tastes just like Baileys and it gives you the flavor of Baileys without any of the carbs, and so I've got one of those in my kitchen that I use regularly. And the other flour I love to use is coconut flour. You don't need much, only about 1/4 cup, and you can make delicious brownies with it. And there's loads of other uses for coconut flour. Just a little bit, it's super absorbent, but it's got a lovely rich flavor and scent to it, and it's also really rich in fiber too, so that's very helpful in the keto diet as well. And I've got my stevia over here. Some people prefer to use monk fruit sweetness or erythritol. This one also does have erythritol in it. I believe it's also stevia. It's a bit confusing. So really experiment and find a low carb sweetener that agrees with you. And that is the one that I enjoy using. So I use that. And also now I've got a few fresh ingredients. I've always got cream in my fridge, and I've used that in things like the baked egg custard and other yum desserts too. And I've got some Irish butter here. I always use butter or coconut oil, which I couldn't find today. It's gone missing for some reason in my kitchen. I use it so much. But I've got coconut oil or butter that I use in baked treats, and it's just perfect. And cream cheese. My chocolate cheesecake brownies need cream cheese, so I always have cream cheese in my fridge for that and other yummy desserts which I've been experimenting with. And lucky last, finally we've got some eggs. I've got a little bowl full of eggs over here. Eggs are just an essential part of most keto desserts, just to help form structure and for flavor, and of course protein as well too. But there you go, that is today's video, all of these keto baking essentials. I'd love to hear from you. Have I left out your favorite keto baking essential? What do you use, your go-to that you're going to make sure you always have in your fridge, in your pantry, so that you can easily make some yummy keto desserts? I look forward to reading your comments, and remember to like, subscribe for more videos too, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.